Guys, if you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering how to make like a reveal video. Like if you're trying to show your face in like a face reveal, but you're trying to do it fast in a video, I'm gonna show you how to do it. And so we click on new project, as you can see, for Capcut, by the way. So nice. Hold up. So I get the photo I want. So say I wanted a photo of me like let's just say my brother Cole.
Hold on.
So we're gonna have him over here. He's not gonna be at the start of the video. So if you have him at the start of the video, don't have that. So you want to play it, and you want it to be a pretty long video. You want right here to be an overlay, most likely, and then play like a picture or just a picture of like, let's just say Daisy, my dog. Let's add it. Okay, now it's a breeze. You want to make it super short. Like, go down to this. Wait, hold up. And you want the overlay over here. Add overlay in the middle of the video. Add this picture of whatever you want. I chose my dog, Daisy. Add it into the thing. Then it's right there. You want to be super fast. So you want it to be like right there. And then play music you want. And you just gotta show the end. And this is in Capcut, by the way. So it's gonna be like, it's gotta show it really fast. And then you can put whatever text you want. And you really want it fast. You want it to like split very fast. Perfect. But you can definitely see that by pausing it, probably listening. So you want to slide it. Okay. So maybe when this is happening, you want to add an overlay. This is just a black photo. So just take a photo like this. Like so. And then like scribble it black, I guess. So like as big as you can. So you want it like a lot. And you want it to be only black. So this might take you a while, or just take a black photo, which I highly recommend. And then just like, yeah, that's easier. But yeah, I highly recommend just taking your photo. So you go here to your photos. You have a black photo that has not been used yet. Add it, then overlay. And it's right there. Then right there. And then this overlay down here. This overlay down here, hold up. You want it to be covering the screen. So it's gotta go like this. And then you want to add a filter Let me tell you, this really is complicated. And you can just get that perfect photo. And then all you need to do is just adjust. Okay, just go to video quality and reduce image noise if you want to. Just if you want to do like more things to the video, you could do it. But you're probably like, why do we need filters? I'm here to show you. So the text right here. We want text that says, that's like very, very, very like dark. So this should be like huge into there, into the white, and perfect. You got this. Just right there. And you can have it saying whatever you want, but yeah, that doesn't really matter what it's saying. So you're probably like, I can still see it. You're probably mad. So watch. Add a sticker. Add a sticker. You want it exactly when Daisy, my dog, popped it up. Add a sticker. And then you're done.